bothersome for me.
There's a fallen tree out there, and a lot of the folks their houses are getting watered in, and I've told them to get into our small warehouse at the back there so that they could take a bit of refuge. But
Oh my god.
if you look, the sea is actually coming out almost. As you can see, there's the winds have died down, but there's a bunch. The waves are still crashing on the shore here. Some of the people that are actually living around started evacuating in the school behind us, and I guess they're at this point looking and seeing what's going to happen as the storm progresses here.
May nakutumba dun eh. Ano ba yun, Manoy? Ah, okay. Oo.
So there's a electrical post that just fell down. There's actually a fallen tree right over at the other side there.
So, as you guys can see, sa floor, meron yung mga mangoes. Unfortunately, yung iba nahati. So, we can no longer eat them, but Manoy already collected few ones that are good. Okay, this one's still good. Oh no, there's a crack as well. Anyway, yeah, so there's quite a lot of fruit, mango fruits that have fallen from the tree, unfortunately, that we couldn't save anymore. So we'll gather them later on to compost. Oh my gosh, like what? Look at that, it's so windy.
Just gonna show you guys real quick the fallen tree that's actually blocking our small warehouse area.
Oh no. Hala. Ayan.
So this is also part of our property that we haven't featured yet, but this is a small warehouse that's on the property. And there's an actual gate there that you can see. There's an actual tree that's actually fallen on the actual gate, and it's currently blocking the exit. So I guess after the storm we're gonna have to deal with this and basically cut the tree down and do some repair in this area here. guys. It's the day after the storm. It's a bit sunny today, and it's much better than yesterday for sure. There's a lot of rainfall that happened and all that, but I'll quickly show you guys how it looks like after. Jolina is the name of the storm, so yeah, this is the aftermath of the actual storm. So you'll notice there's a bunch of debris that we've accumulated this morning. We've been doing a bit of cleanup. There's lots of leaves, twigs and whatnot piled up over there. And one of the malunggay trees, the moringa tree that we had here, actually fell during the storm, which was actually right over there. And then yeah, so the rest of the part of the tree is actually right over there. It's a fairly big tree. It's been on the property for about it's been on the property for quite some time. Last time I came for a visit here, I trimmed the tree down, but it grew way tall again, and it's been there for a bit. So luckily, some of the plants have survived this storm. It was actually a level 3 storm, and it was a pretty traumatic experience. There's a lot of our neighbors who's actually situated right in front of the seashore, that their house got damaged, and that was pretty unfortunate. And yeah, they're slowly, I guess, recovering at this point. But I guess for now, we'll go ahead and end our vlog. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. And make sure to click the like button. Until next time, goodbye.